3125. So first equation 5 6 are 30, 1 2 10, 12, 5 2 are 10, 2 5, again 5 120 times, 5 25 times, 5 5 times. So how many 5s are there? 13 by 5 power 5. You should multiply with 2 power 5. 2 power 5 by 2 power 5. Always remember that power should be equal. 13 into 2 power 5 value 32, 5 into 2 10 power 5. 32 into 13, 32 into 13, 13 2 is 26, 33 is 39, 41, 416. How many zeros are there here? 5 zeros are there. 10 power 2 means 2 zeros. 10 power 3 means 3 zeros. 10 power 4 10,000. 10 power 5 1 lakh. So 5 zeros are there. So 10 power 5. So 0.00416. How many zeros are there? 5 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5. You should place the decimal here. So in the similar way, do all the second round sums now. In the similar way, third round sums also the same manner. Fourth round. Any doubts? Fourth round. Fourth round of first sum. Represent 43.1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 in P by Q form. In P. Can you represent 5.67 in P by Q form? How 567 by how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. 567. In the similar way, how many zeros? 4 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. How many decimals are there after decimal point? 9. So 9 zeros. Okay. Next one. Okay. First round is first sum. Second sum. 0.1201. 0.1201. 1200. Can you represent in P by Q form or not? First of all, it is a terminating or non-terminating? Mokshita, it is terminating or non-terminating? Non-terminating. Repeating or non-repeating? Non-repeating. First value is 120, second value is 1200, third value is 12,000. In the similar, it is a non-repeating. So it cannot be written in the form of P by Q. When any decimal number can be non-repeating and non-terminating, such numbers cannot be written in the form of P by Q. Any numbers have repeating decimal, maybe terminating or non-terminating, such numbers are called easily written as rational numbers. Last one is the important number. 43.123456789 ball. So what is the value of 43 point 43.12345678 9. So 43.123456789123456789 and so on like that. It is repeating number or non-repeating number? Repeating 129 129 129 repeating number. Terminating or non-terminating? Non-terminating. Terminating or non-terminating. So it can be easily written as P p by q format because it is a repeating decimal. Whenever repeating decimal occurs, it can easily written in the form of p by q. So same, let it be x. Let it be x. How many decimals does a bar have? 9. So you should multiply with 9 zeros. So nothing but 10 power 9 into x. Then decimal shifts to this one. 43. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Suppose 36.894 is multiplied with 10. How many zeros are there? 1 zero. So decimal shifts to 368.94. One decimal shifts to one place. If there are 2 zeros, so decimal point shifts to 9.4. If there are 3 zeros, decimal point shifts to 1, 2, 3. In the similar way, how many zeros are there? 9 zeros. So decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 point. Same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. This is equation. Let it be equation 1, and this is equation 2. 1 minus 2. 10 power 9 is equal to 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So first equation is this one, and second equation is x equal to 43 point. 43 point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. So what we have to do is subtraction. 9 minus 9 0, 8 minus 8 0, 7 minus 7 0, 6 minus 6 0, all are zeros here. Okay. 9 minus 3 6, 8 minus 4 4. So 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 4, that equal to 10 power 9 minus x. 10 power 9 means how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus x. So that equals to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 x. Okay. Simple. 1000 minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1000 minus 1. 311. 10,000 minus 1. In the similar way, 10 power 9 minus x minus x. Okay, na 996. So that equal to 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 6 divided by 996. It can be written as p by q. So 43.123456789 bar can be represented as, this is called the vulgar format of the decimal format. Okay na? Rational numbers.